Hello student, welcome back to VEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher. So, we are learning the chapter 2, that is healthy teeth, and we have completed so many topic in this chapter. Today we have to start a very interesting topic for this chapter, that is how we can keep our teeth healthy. So basically topic is keeping teeth healthy. So there are few instructions which we have to keep in our mind to keep our teeth healthy. As first, very important instructions that every day we have to brush our teeth twice a day. Okay, means in the morning and at the night. So we have to brush our teeth twice a day daily. So and also to have to clean and white teeth, we have to must follow simple steps which are we have to brush upper jaw, we have to brush our lower jaw, we have to brush the chewing surface, means the surface which is used to chew the food, that surface also we have to clean or we have to brush properly. And plus, if we are cleaning our teeth daily, that is very good, but with the teeth we also have to clean our tongue. We can clean our tongue with the use of a brush or using a tongue cleaner. Second, after the brushing we have to massage our gums with the fingers, because whenever we massage our gums, that there will be a good blood circulation which keep our gums healthy. If our gums are healthy, obviously teeth will also be healthy. Okay, and we have to use to dental floss to remove the food particles which are trapped between teeth during whenever we are taking the food. So what is a dental floss? It is a thread, strong and soft threads, which is used to take out the food particles which is trapped between the teeth. Okay, then very important rule that we have to avoid drinking soft drinks, because these soft drinks are very harmful for us. Plus we have to also avoid eating too many sweets like candies, sweets, chocolates. So many things are there, so which we have to keep avoiding. And we have to start eating more and more green and leafy vegetables. Next, as we do the exercise for our body, same we have to do the exercise for our teeth and gums, like chewing sugar cane and raw carrots. When we chew the sugar canes, when we eat raw carrots, that means there will be a good blood circulation in our gums, which keeps our teeth and gums healthy. So this is the exercise for keeping our gums and teeth healthy. Next, whenever we take the meal, whenever we take the food, after eating, every time we have to rinse our mouth. So whatever the food particles are trapped or remaining in our mouth, it will be clean out from our mouth. Now we have to use a soft bristled toothbrush. Okay, and this brush we have to change after every 3 months or sooner, means that means max to max we can use a single toothbrush for the 3 month, and after 3 month anyhow we have to change this toothbrush. And then the most important, we have to consume calcium rich product, calcium rich food like milk, cheese, paneer, cottage. Why? Because calcium, it is a substance, it is a chemical which keeps our bones and teeth healthy. So that's why we have to consume more and more calcium rich food. And we have to visit dentist regularly doesn't mean that we have to daily go to the dentist, means after the time spent we have to go and do the checkup of the teeth. Means if we will get any minor problem in our teeth, so we can on the spot we can get the treatment. So these are the basic we can say these are the basic instruction which we have to keep in our mind for keeping our teeth healthy. Now we will meet in the next live class. Till thank you and stay safe at your home.